Hey guys, I am CJestrada and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at SMC side City Cebu and we're here for BaiCon InFest. So daghan kay mga influencers from all over the Philippines ang one hidire. So I hope that we will be enjoying this day and hope you also will enjoy this day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Before we start our day, before we start everything, we're gonna find some coffee kay don't talk to me without me having one kay murag ako utok nun nasa kuan layo kayo.
Asa ta?
Everyone dito.
Meljean Solon,
Wala na ako na
video.
Rabsin, diba? Well, self-appreciation din
Hey guys, so we're now here inside the event area. Hopefully everything's gonna be fun, so let's enjoy the event and peace and love.
Wait. Alam.
Hey, once again, good morning everybody. Allow me to introduce myself.
Love you too. And we get mad in traffic and everything, but if you just took a step back.
Challenges and what keeps me motivated. Hi, I love you.
Lunchtime! So unsay kaunon sa Baby Shark?
Siyempre, dugo-dugo.
Dugo-dugo. Ano dugo-dugo man? Kaunon sa Goddess.
Goddess has to eat some grass. Salad, na charot lang.
Grass sa kanding.
Because sabi mo kanon bisa evil. Ay,
Wala, dili man choose yung evil.
so what are you eating? Meat?
I eat.
Meat? That's
anything.
hard.
You eat senior high.
Dili ay kayo sana.
Unsay kaunon sa taga CPDRC?
Ha? Kuan. Ati Guaps. Kamano na sila sa Ati Guaps.
Unsa man na?
Karinderya na sa Luyo.
Mga baby girls.
Patay ato na tak. Mo ni pinaka-idol loy. Mo ni pinaka-super idolist, pinaka-gwapo.
Pero siya yung pinaka-idolist dyan ako.
Mo ni pinaka-idolist.
Idol ba dyan ako yung kamo?
Actually, yung amo ang ginahin ng... wala.
What's your
Wala.
cup of tea?
My cup of tea is Emperador, syempre. Kinakong karagon. Boom!
You're nothing but a seventh grade trying hard. Payari ko dyan eh!
Stage light. Hi Kuya, what's your name? Robert? What's up, Robert? Thank you so much. Hi, Robert. Di na ka-
As you all know, BaiTV, one of the event partners, has been running a show called BaiTrip.
BaiTrip.
It's a show that takes
Si Kuana.
if it's not too late to...
Hi, I am CJestrada and I love adventures.
Because we want to, you know, show everyone here who are winners.
Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Congratulations, man.
All right, representative.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sebi is joining us.
What's up, party people? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, it's the girl Mimi. Tell me how do you love will keep you up tonight.
How am I going to move to the new place? I'm probably going to be using a truck.
Hello, Chibolo. Nice to meet you.
Video po. Kami na ito one scenery, guys. Yeah.
Share peace and love. Whoa. Share peace and love. Hey guys, we haven't seen each other in probably like 2 years.
Yeah.
We came all the way to the hotel in Makran. We're now older.
We're all
Responsible.
more tambok.
Yeah, we gotta pumangala.
Yeah. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Hi, I am CJestrada and I love adventures. Adventures are always my escape from the daily stress and pressures of life. It is always fun to go out there and enjoy what life has to offer. Even in the middle of treacherous trails or the fiery heat of the sun or getting soaked up in the rain, name it, it is all worth it. I like to experience and immerse to different cultures, and I love to interact with people and get to know their story. I like to share and influence everyone to explore and enjoy the world responsibly. Kill nothing but time, take nothing but pictures, and leave nothing but footprints. Above all, it is not how treacherous travels and misadventures can be, but it is the memories and fun experience that makes every moment worth it. I may not be the most guapo and macho traveler, but thank you. I am now the new face of BaiTV for Bai Trips. So see you on my next travels. Share peace and love.